Okay, this one doesn't look very interesting, but I'm sure I've done a similar one before and it came up a real treat, so I'm hoping this will come up a treat again. It's a bit different, it's a different shape, but it's similar. It's the same theme. So let's see how big we can make this. And if we can make this one look good. Oops, stupid user interface here, this Konica Minolta shit. I don't know how to make a good photocopier. So you've got to believe that it's a real shitter of a company, this Konica Minolta. So we're going to yellow. Actually, yellow, I think we'll go yellow. And this is going to be a negative image out of this. So we're just going to make this hopefully come up a treat. I think the hue is going to go cold, a little bit colder. Not sure if I can make this one turn up really nice again or make it different to the last time I did a similar one. See what it is. Let's see if we can make it look really nice. Okay, what is it? Okay, it is a fridge magnet to do with emergency plumber. I don't use this because I'm in a housing department unit. They've got their own plumbers to fix the water works at my place. But this just gets in the mail, like a pamphlet drop. I thought drop, sorry about the joke, didn't mean it. But basically, yeah, this is to do with plumbing. And I did a similar one before, but it was a different shape and it was still a fridge magnet. We're going to stick with 200. So let's see if we can make this look good. But yeah, this is basically, a plumbing company. So let's see if we've made this turn into something more interesting. But you get a lot of these in the mail, or I get a lot of them in the mail, in my mailbox. There's so many of them. You get so many businesses giving us fucking fridge magnets all the time. Anyway, that's interesting. It's not the greatest. I don't like the colour scheme of this, and had a feeling I wasn't going to like the result of this, so I'm just going to try and work on a different colour. I think yellow's the wrong colour for this, somehow. Anyway, so we're just going to go. I'm going to get rid of the yellow, and it's a happy colour. I like yellow, all due respect, but it's not the colour for this, what I'm doing. It's not the right colour. So we're just going to put it upside down and we're just going to spin it around fairly randomly and see how we go. Let's see if the magenta is a better colour. Okay, it's not perfect, but it looks more interesting. I think we did a better job of this one, and I think that's going to be the centre. So we're just going to get rid of the first one. We're just going to put that aside, and we're just going to take this. This will just go in the bin. We don't need it. I had too many of these on my fridge, and I had to get them taken off. I had to take them all off. There was just too many of them. So I'm wondering what we're going to do to make this look good, or even better. It's not the greatest. It's not the way I like it, but it looks better than the first attempt. So now we're just going to switch ourselves to 100. We're going to switch on to copied paper, and we're just going to see what further adjustments we're going to make. We're just going to get rid of that. Actually, I'm wondering what colour will we use in the second. Going magenta, green, blue, yellow, cyan. I don't know if this is going to work. Any more work I have to do on this? Maybe the hue can be put in the middle. The brightness is on the darkest. We're going to keep it there. We're going negative again. Negative on a negative equals a positive. But we're adding another colour. We're going to try and make this one look really whacked out. If we can. If we can make this look a lot better than what we think it would look. See how we go. Make this mundane looking fridge magnet into something. Yeah, that's interesting. Now, I do like it. For some reason, it's not too bad. It's not totally ideal, but I think we could work with it. I'm wondering, we're going to have to enlarge it a bit. Actually, we don't. The borders are on these two edges. There's no borders here and here. There's no black, ugly border there. I don't know if I like it totally, but it is nice. It is nicer than I kind of expected it to be. So I'm wondering if more work, I could still do a bit more work on it to make it look even nicer. So we're going to okay, we're going here. I'm actually thinking maybe blue is better than cyan. It'll come up more bright than the blue. The cyan's only a little bit wishy-washy. The blue tends to come up more stronger than the cyan. So I'll just show you the cyan. The cyan is that colour. It's a bit wishy for my liking. Let's see how we go with this. The blue. The blue has come up purple. Yeah, I don't like that. For some reason it came up like that. This was a lot nicer. So I think I fucked up. I've got to go and try and replicate a similar result with that. So I don't know what happened. The first one was better. I think we might have adjusted something else, if I remember correctly. So we're just going to kick out the blue and put back the cyan, and we're just going to go, maybe we just took out the hue. The hue's a bit, I think we had a warmer hue, and that's why it looked better. And what else do we have to do to make this look better? So I think that's better. So we're just going to replicate that, or maybe even make a better version. So let's see how we go here. This is not the easiest kind of original to make look really good. It's just got too many, it's just only got a couple of bold colours. But anyway, we're pretty much back to the first result. This looks more yellow than that, but I'm thinking maybe, which one are we going to run with? I think we're going to run with this one, but this one, we're just going to put these two aside, and we're going to make a mirror image out of these. So we're just going to stick with this. I don't think we can go much further, but it's not the greatest original to work with. Okay, let's see how that looks. Yeah, so these are our two pieces for the, I'll just move the other shit out of the way, and we're just going to put these together like so. So just touch the corners. So yeah, it's not the greatest demo on earth. I don't think I can do anything much better than this. Maybe I could, I don't know. It's just not an easy one to work with. I'm sure some people might like this colour scheme. Okay, so there's our other two corners, or quadrants. We're just going to put them together. Okay. obviously just nudged one of the pieces, unfortunately, but I think that's good enough. That actually looks a lot better. That looks interesting. So there you have it.